Hi, I'm Jasmine, and when I was 15, I modeled for Sephora. And no, I didn't have any connections. I didn't grow up in the industry. So in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how it happened and what no one tells you about. I think online it can look like everything just magically works out, but the truth is, there's a lot behind that one photo you see. I didn't start as a model. I was just someone who was interested in creative things, like filming, acting, and expressing myself. At some point, I decided to actually try modeling seriously, so I applied to an agency here in Bangkok. That was my first real step, because agencies are usually the ones who connect you to bigger opportunities. One day, I got an opportunity through my agency about the Sephora project. And honestly, it didn't feel real at first. I filmed a casting tape, did my best, and then I got selected. When I found out, I was so excited to finally complete my childhood dream. And that's something important. You don't always know when something big is coming. Sometimes it's just a casting tape that changes everything. Filming and shooting wasn't just show up and look pretty. It takes hours, a lot of patience, and being able to stay confident even when you're tired. There are so many people involved, directors, stylists, photographers, and you have to adapt quickly. It taught me that modeling is not just about how you look, but how you carry yourself. I think what people don't talk about enough is rejection. Before and even after that Sephora job, there were castings where I didn't get picked, and that's normal. Also, not every agency or job is perfect. You really have to be careful, understand contracts, and know your worth. Getting to model for Sephora at 15 was such a big moment for me, but it's also just the beginning. Please hit that subscribe button if this helps you. It means a lot to me. Thank you and bye!